Hello kids. Let's learn 20 amazing words from letter T. Can you say them with me? Let's go. Children play with it for fun. What is this? Toys. Can you say it? Toys. T is for toys. It is a person who teaches students. What is this? Teacher. Can you say it? Teacher. T is for teacher. It is something we use to dry our body. What is this? Towel. Can you say it? Towel. T is for towel. It is a red fruit used in salads. What is this? Tomato. Can you say it? Tomato. T is for tomato. It is something we use to brush our teeth. What is this? Toothbrush. Can you say it? Toothbrush. T is for toothbrush. It is a long animal with a shell. What is this? Turtle. Can you say it? Turtle. T is for turtle. It is a big animal with stripes. What is this? Tiger. Can you say it? Tiger. T is for tiger. It is a bird that says gobble. What is this? Turkey. Can you say it? Turkey. T is for turkey. It is a vehicle that carries people in the city. What is this? Taxi. Can you say it? Taxi. T is for taxi. What is this? Train. Can you say it? Train. T is for train. It is something we drink in the morning. What is this? Tea. Can you say it? Tea. T is for tea. It is an object where we keep things on. What is this? Table. Can you say it? Table. T is for table. It is something we wear on our upper body. What is this? T-shirt. Can you say it? T-shirt. T is for T-shirt. What is this? Tower. Can you say it? Tower. T is for tower. What is this? Tree. Can you say it? Tree. T is for tree. It is a musical instrument we hit. What is this? Tabla. Can you say it? Tabla. T is for tabla. We use it to get water. What is this? Tap. Can you say it? Tap. T is for tap. It is something we use to carry water. What is this? Tank. Can you say it? Tank. T is for tank. It is a round rubber wheel on a vehicle. What is this? Tire. Can you say it? Tire. T is for tire. It is a long passage under the ground. What is this? Tunnel. Can you say it? Tunnel. T is for tunnel. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter U.